Hi friends, today we are going to discuss the if formula, and this formula is going to be very useful especially for the teachers in the case which I am going to tell further. Suppose these are the name of the students from A to K, A B C D E F G H I J K, and further I have given their marks. You can say their total marks 35, 40, 50, 78, 92, 34, 69, 21, 37, 65, 67 and 42. Now I have taken the limited number of students here, but these number of students can go to up to 100 or more than that. In that case, if the teacher has to write the students who have achieved marks more than 50 will be considered as passed, and if less, considered as failed. So the one way is that you can see the each mark and can manually type it. Second, you can put it a filter and you can just check in and check out each and every marks, and then you can do it. And in filter there is one more way also which I will tell you further. But the most easy and professional formula which I am going to tell you is the if formula. Please watch it carefully. So equal to if. Now the reference table is marks. So we will click this. If the student has achieved marks greater than and equal to 50, here we are considering a passing criteria is 50 marks. Then he will be considered as pass. Inverted commas, write it pass. Inverted commas closed, commas. And if not, then fail. Again, inverted comma, fail, inverted comma closed, and bracket closed. Enter. As you can see, number A student has achieved 35% marks or 35 marks. So automatically it is taking it as a fail. Now just put the cursor here and double click. So you can see 50 pass, 78 pass, 92 pass, 34 fail, 69 pass, 21 fail, 37 fail, 65 pass, 67 pass, and 42 fail. So if you are a teacher, it can save a good amount of time for you. And please apply this and share your feedback with me. Thank you so much.